Hi, Njeri Kamau. Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe, share, and like. Okay, today we have our tour. Let's meet Tasha. She's going to tell us more about this home. Beautiful, you can't wait. Hey Tasha, how are you?
I'm good.
Oh, I love the place.
Thank you. Karibu Chelezo Apartments. So Chelezo Apartments, it's located on Kindaruma Road, the heart of Kilimani. Yeah, so Chelezo Apartment, it has a sophisticated style. It's a modern sophisticated style. And what we have is a 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms plus DSQ. All of them have a DSQ. Yes, so the 2 bedrooms currently, they are sold out. But the 3 bedrooms, we have 2 types. And all of them are en suite, all en suite. So each room has a bathroom. And what we have is the 3 bedroom, they are going for 15.65. And then the other type of 3 bedroom is 15.95. 4 bedroom, 16.65. And we can come down, yes, depending on your payment plan. So there are 2 types of payment plan. There's a cash buyer and there's a mortgage buyer. There's a cash buyer who can pay within 30 to 45 days. There's a cash buyer who can pay with installments, and we give you a duration of 1 year. And then there's a mortgage buyer. A mortgage buyer, you can actually pay 20% deposit, and then the rest now the bank clears. Actually, we're even partnering with Stanbic Bank. Yeah, so Stanbic Bank actually offers 105% financing. Yes, they're the best in the market.
Oh my God, Stanbic.
Yes, Stanbic Bank. Yeah, so what happens is the 5% on top, it's usually for the other expenses, stamp duty, such, the other expenses. So it's usually for stamp duty and then the legal fee. So that tops up the amount. So if the client is struggling to pay the 5%, Stanbic Bank comes through with that. Yes. Yeah, so we've partnered with them. Yeah, so Chelezo Apartments, it has a European style kitchen. Yes, so you get a European closed kitchen, and then now all en suite with a DSQ. So imagine you get a whole package. And then to top it up, we have amenities. Swimming pool, gym, backup generator inclusive of the house. It's a full backup. And then we have hot water, solar powered, borehole, and then security wise we have CCTV, common areas, and then we have intercoms at the entrance of each door. Yeah, so we've given you a package: water, electricity, and security. Everything you would need in terms of owning a home. And then for the kids, we have a kids play area. Yeah, so we have to accommodate everyone. Yes, especially now the family. So if you're looking for a house to accommodate your family, Chelezo Apartments is ideal for you. And then just to mention, we have 116 units. Yes, so 2 blocks and 2 elevators in each block. So whenever maybe one elevator is being fixed or being maintained, you can use the other elevator. Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you have subscribed, shared, and like. Hey, okay, so tell us more about this place.
Okay, so Chelezo, it's located in, it's actually a very prime location. Yes, it's close to 3 malls: Prestige, AdLife, and Yaya Center. Yes, and then schools, we have St. Nicholas Primary, we have Good Shepherd, St. Hannah's, Makini, name them. We also have Rose of Sharon around Ngong Road. Yes, so it is quite a prime location. To even top it up, hospitals, Coptic Hospital, Nairobi Hospital. You can even go to Nairobi Women's. So it is a very prime location, and you can easily access anything. That makes it quite a very good place and habitable place to live in and access. Yes.
So beautiful. Okay, thank you. Next time. God bless.